What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Thank you for checking out the channel again. You guys, I made sure 100% this time that this video will go as planned, vices the previous videos I've done, like last 2 or 3 where they didn't go as planned. But yes, so today we are finally installing the Beans Diesel billet valve cover. Okay, it's a quick job, and I say quick because I am going to make sure this is a quick job. I'm not knocking on wood, nothing like that. I'm just gonna take the valve cover off, put the new one on, and just enjoy it, really. It's a valve cover, so let's get the video started. All right, you guys, so this is the valve cover. If you did not know, custom engraved, everything diesel from Beans Diesel, who went ahead and got this made up for me. Just so you guys know, I do have a promo code for Beans Diesel. I've always had one since, like, I wanna say March or April. In the description down below, there is a code that will save you 10%. It's 10 or 15% on your orders. Go down there, check it out. Anything on the Beans website. I'm already running the Beans Diesel fuel sump for the tank, which is working amazing. Had no leaks, no issues with it. Versus the old one that I had, which was constantly leaking. So I have high expectations for this valve cover. Mike over at Beans Diesel was kind enough to send out these bolts because I pretty much threw away the first set of bolts. So Mike, if you're watching this, brother, thank you so much, man. I truly appreciate it. And he also just bought a 4th gen too, so good job, man. I'm happy for you. All right, so super simple install, you guys. We're gonna be installing this, taking off the old valve cover. Now, you guys, I already took off the CCV cover. A lot of people think this is the valve cover. This is actually not your valve cover. This is just your CCV cover that holds your CCV filter in it. Okay, I went ahead and took these off. And now you come over here, we have our true valve cover exposed. As you can see, all there is 6 bolts. I believe these are 10 millimeters. I can verify that right now. And yes, these are 10 millimeter bolts. You take off all 6 of them, and then you just lift up the cover, and that's it. And you also have to disconnect that plug back there. If anybody knows what this plug is, I already disconnected it. But if you know what that plug is, comment down below, because I have no idea what that's for. Obviously, that valve cover does not have that on there, so I'm assuming it's not used unless it's a emissions equipped truck. So yeah, so if you know what that is, just let me know. And yeah, it's pretty simple, man. It's pretty straightforward. But that valve cover is going to clean up this engine bay immensely, especially with the compounds over here, with the, we'll just call it chrome piping, with the billet valve cover. Polish it up, clean it up. I do plan on eventually powder coating the intake horn along with the rocker box plenum, which is underneath down there. I do plan on powder coating that, the Spanish illusion fly, to get the engine bay looking real good. Plus we will be having a nice fat CP3 sitting up here pretty soon. I was going to try to get it done today, but I just don't have enough time today, so I'm gonna get this done. It's well past due, so let's get. All right, so one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. Make sure you like the video. Can you see me? Yeah, there we go. Make sure you like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I think you're gonna really like and enjoy how it comes out. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up. It helps the channel out so much in terms of getting new exposure and pushing the channel out to new people so they can check it out, and we can bring more people to the Everything Diesel family, okay? So thank you guys so much. Alright, you guys, check this out. So we went ahead and took the valve cover off. This is what it looks like underneath. If you've never looked at your valve train before, this is, really clean. This is what it should look like. If you got caked up black stuff all in here, you got some nasty stuff going on. So it's good to know that the valve train is, is looking good with that AMSOIL. So hell yeah. And we'll honestly probably end up being back in here again to actually we will be to be changing these injectors out soon enough. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go grab the new valve cover, drop her in, and go from there. Okay. Oh man, this is already looking good. Oh baby. And if you did not know, you do reuse the oil cap, the OEM one, but we got a little something extra for that in a second. I'm gonna show y'all. So if you didn't know, you guys, with the Beans valve cover, you don't have to run a catch can setup if you're under 500 horsepower. Beans actually, and I should have showed it to y'all, I'm sorry about that. Beans actually incorporates an anti-baffle system, or like a baffle system incorporated into it, so that way you don't need a catch can until you're at 500 horsepower. So if you got a stock deleted truck, you can slap these on without even messing with anything. Just put on, bolt, seal up, done. If you have high horsepower applications, then yeah, you run a catch can. I'm gonna be doing the old rubber hose trick until I'm ready to run my catch can setup over here. It's gonna look good. It's just expensive, so yeah. But oh man, I'm already liking the way this is coming out. Look at that. And I haven't even polished it yet. You guys know I got that Zephyrs in the garage. I'm about to hit it up with that and the pipes over there. All right, you guys, so it's the next day. So long story short, I got the job finished yesterday, but I had to end up handling some business and stuff, so I wasn't able to finish the outro of the video. So I'm gonna show you guys what the cover looks like right now. It looks good. I love it. It changed this engine bay completely, you guys. I went ahead and polished up the piping for the compounds too. Hit it with that Zephyrs Pro 40, and if you look right here, oh my bad, if you look right here, yes, we have a Beans Machine oil cover cap. Okay, so this is the original oil cap. The original oil cap screws into the valve cover. Beans Michael went ahead and hooked it up. Appreciate it, man. The Beans team, man, looking out. But that's gonna be the end of it, you guys. I did do a check, cranked her up, everything does not leak oil. Oil does not spew out of nowhere. Super clean, just super nice install. Cleaned the engine bay up phenomenally. I love it so much. It goes so well with the compounds too, you guys. You guys don't even understand, man. I mean, my goodness, look at this. Oh, that boy over there. And if anybody's still wondering, the compounds are doing good. I love them. But yeah, this is the final result. This is what we're looking at. And again, you guys, if you want to get your hands on one of these covers, I don't know if you can get everything in diesel. I mean, you probably could, but I'm not sure. But if you have a custom file that you want to get engraved onto your valve cover, Beans Machine can do it. All they ask for is a vector file for whatever custom design you want. If not, they have pre-made or like pre-programmed designs they can do. Or if you want just basic writing, like if you want to write your name on the cover or something, they can do that type of stuff. It might come at an extra cost, but it is available to you guys. Down below, promo code will save you some money. I believe it's 10 or 15%. Like I said, it's going to save you some money on the Beans cover if you decide to get one, okay? So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the mod, I know I do. Long, way past overdue. It's finally here though. So if you guys enjoyed everything, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for checking out this video. And until next time, you guys, take it easy, be safe, and I'll see you guys real soon, because we're gonna be installing some dual CP3s here in a minute. Peace out.